parametrically as ct, and y is c over t, I'd like us to find the Cartesian equation, okay? And let me repeat, what that means is an equation in x and y where we eliminate the parameter t. That's just another way, parametric, another posh way of saying equations with three variables, x, y, and t, a third parameter, okay? So I'd like us to have a go at eliminating t and finding the Cartesian equation. So if I make t the subject of my first equation, I can see that t is equal to x over c. In my second equation, y is equal to c over t. So c divided by x over c, if you like, just so that I don't have to put a fraction over a fraction, because that line means I divide. And therefore y is equal to c squared over x. And so I have my Cartesian equation as xy is equal to c squared. Now we should know how to draw the graph of y is equal to a over x, where a is a constant. Now, let's say a was 1 or 2, it doesn't really matter, but the general shape of this graph is something like that. Okay? Now, since we have xy is equal to c squared, where c is a constant, okay? In other words, y is equal to c squared over x. We can see that the shape of this graph, that's just a constant, and that's just a constant. Looks like this, and we are actually familiar with this graph already from C1.